Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on Advanced Settings. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Finally, go into Theme and scroll down. Now you can choose Show More to see all available themes, then tap on the best one for you, manage key borders thanks to this sweater and tap on Apply. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now select the photo that you wish to apply as a keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done, manage key borders and choose Apply. As you can see, when I go back this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!